You're on. You're recorded. You're live.
All right, we are heading down to Lake Louise. It is about 7 o'clock in the morning, and we're walking up to it now. In this video, we hike around the beautiful Lake Louise.
This is beautiful.
So wild how blue the water is, but it's so clear that you can see up there. There's a glacier up there still, and that's what's feeding this water, making it blue. What do you think?
It's unbelievable again. Just how beautiful this place is. I don't know, words can't describe it. You need to see it.
Yeah, it's very, very beautiful, peaceful. We're here early in the morning, and that's the way to go. Get here early.
Yeah, we got here about 7:15.
Yep.
And parking lot was almost full.
But with the sun coming up, the water's changing colors as the sun gets brighter.
Yeah, it seems like every time we go around another corner, it changes.
Yeah, it is beautiful. So we're walking the trail around the lake now. How far is it?
I don't know, a mile and a half.
It's a good trail too. It's flat, dirt, and a few stumps and rocks. Just watch your step and you'll be fine. But it's beautiful, The sun's coming up. So we're gonna keep walking. We're almost to the end of the trail. Temperature is dropping the closer we get to the snow, obviously. I don't know, maybe. I seen it.
Chipping out.
We're at the end. We made it to the end. What do you think?
Oh, I didn't know you was talking to me. It's a beautiful walk. Beautiful. This place is just amazing.
Nice, peaceful walk.
Yeah.
Again, get here early.
Yeah, it's going to fill up.
It's so peaceful. But we're at the end as far as we're going to go. You can keep going, and it does loop around all the way back to the other end of the lake, but we're not going to do that this morning.
We don't want to climb that mountain.
No. No, it goes up that way and back around. We're not doing that this morning. I'm not that energetic. Alright, we're going to try and walk the little trail out to the beach area. Hopefully we don't fall in the water. We'll see. I made it! You made it! It's a big muddy beach. But we are at the end of the lake. Very end.
Yeah, beautiful hotel.
I know. Great view of the hotel. The Fairmont Hotel. A lot of history there. This is incredible.
Imagine this is all water here in the spring runoff.
Oh yeah. Look at the little river going through.
We can get over there to the other side where this comes down.
Yeah. It looks like a waterfall back there, but it's not. It's snow. And you can see the glacier up there at the top. So this is the valley. This was the start of what? The Valley of Six Glaciers trails.
The hike that we could get through.
Yeah, it goes to, the hike goes to 6 glaciers. Or at least it used to. I don't know if they're still there or not. But when the first early explorers were here and found this place, there were 6 glaciers. if you can see it or not, but there's some rock climbers up there. Let me turn this off, see if I can zoom in.
I bet when that sun's behind that mountain, that would be, take the glare off a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty.
The walkbacks, not just as pretty, but it's still pretty.
Be sure to join us next week where we venture around Yoho National Park in Canada.